So this is a tutorial on Tornado S 2.0. I posted a flight video of exactly this jet and it flew amazing, so go check that out as well. And by the way, I figured out how to make a lock because yesterday on my other jet it didn't have a lock. I had to staple it, but now I made a lock so it locks together and it flies amazing. Okay, let's get started. Maybe using 6-inch foil paper is probably good for this, but I'm gonna use an 8-inch sheet so it's more clear for you to see. And now you can like swivel fold it, I guess. So make sure you pull this all the way like this, and when you flip it over, it should look like this. Now it's the same thing on the other side. And swivel fold it. At first, you don't really have to do it like all the way, but after you like actually swivel fold it, you're gonna pull it out a bit more. So pulling it up like that. So it's like this. And then from here and here, make sure it's all the way from there. So now just make the creases for the jet fold. Like this. Like Then fold up the wings. And then reverse this up to make the tail fin, but don't make it too high because for the lock. So it should be about like this length. So then fold up this wing and fold up this tab and then fold this over and crease it really well and then fold it under. That will lock the whole thing, and then you can close this and fold up the wings once more. And yeah, you're done. So this is the keel, and that's the lock. And yeah, thanks for watching. I hope your Tornado S 2.0 flies as well as it did for me. And yeah, bye.